Twinkie cream isn't cream at all, it's just vegetable shortening and sugar. Mind-blowing facts about your favorite snacks. Most Fruit Loops are the same flavor despite their different colors. Popcorn at movie theaters may have more calories than a burger and fries combined. Oreos are technically vegan, they contain no dairy despite their creamy filling. Bonus fact, nacho cheese Doritos contain MSG, a flavor enhancer that can trigger cravings. And here's the craziest one. Potato chips were invented by accident, because a chef got annoyed that a customer said his fries were too thick. Crazy, right? Comment and follow for more.